guys, I'm Christina from The Organic Spade, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Sadabahar mango plant. So this plant just came in 30 minutes ago, and I can't wait to just unbox it and see what it looks like inside, and I'm really hoping it's come in good condition. I have never received a plant in a PVC sort of thing before, but seems to be packaged really well. Now I got this plant from a farmer in Rajasthan. He is the creator of this unique variety called Sadabahar, which means evergreen, and it's called Sadabahar because it produces fruit thrice a year. So if you're one of those who wished you could have mangoes throughout the year and didn't have to wait for summer, well, then this is the variety for you. So stay tuned while I tell you all about this plant, about the farmer who created this variety, and you can watch me unbox this little baby as well. So stay tuned. So let me tell you a little bit about the creator of this wonderful variety, Sri Kishan Suman. Kishan Suman was a grower of wheat and rice, but then he gave that up due to fluctuating market rates, and it just wasn't as profitable for him as it should have been. So in 1995, he shifted to cultivating roses and marigold. He did that for about 3 years, and during that time, he would experiment with different grafting techniques wherein he developed rose plants that would yield 7 different rose colors on a single plant. That's when he thought that, okay, if I can successfully work with roses, then why not with mangoes? So he went ahead, got himself a lot of mango seeds from the market, and started growing them. By the year 2000, he noticed that one of the mango trees he was growing had bloomed in 3 seasons, that is, Jan to Feb, June to July, and September to October. And that's when he knew, all right, this is a special variety, and he took it aside, grafted 5 more seedlings using this one as scion wood, and that's how Sadabahar mango variety came to be. By the way, in case you're wondering what this mango variety tastes like, well, I haven't really tasted it yet, but according to the creator, this variety has quite a few similarities to the popular Alfonso mango. However, the Sadabahar has considerably less fiber as compared to regular mango varieties, which I think is a pleasant feature. Otherwise, in terms of shape, size, and table quality, it's quite similar to the Alfonso mango. Okay, so I've got this little guy out of his packaging, and he looks good to me. He has green leaves. It's a little burnt towards the edges, I'd say, but it grows in Rajasthan, out of all places. It's a desert, but he's managed to do that. He's managed to grow mangoes in Rajasthan. If you guys aren't aware, you don't normally grow mangoes in Rajasthan, but he's done it. He's done it. Everything looks good. The graft looks good. It still has the tape on. I think I'll leave it on there for some time before I remove it. I will get this stake out though. I don't think it needs a stake anymore, so I will get rid of this. Otherwise, it all looks good. By the way, it's got new leaf growth right here, so it looks healthy. It's pretty healthy. I'm going to leave it in a shady area down in my building for a week or so, let it get used to the new environment and recover from the transportation and everything. And then I will plant it in a 12-inch pot. That is what I have on hand over there. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them in a 12-inch pot. Then I'll see how it goes. Probably repot it in an 18-inch or something. That's the biggest I can handle. So that's what I'll do. I'm going to be posting a complete update at every stage of my journey with this little baby. So if you guys are interested, please do follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll get a lot of juicy information, right from how to grow them in containers, how to fertilize them, when to fertilize them, what kind of soil to use, how to prune them, when to expect them to fruit. These ones will fruit in about a year or two. They grow really fast. They produce really fast as well. That's the USP of this variety. So I'm going to give you all of that information in bits and pieces. So stay tuned, guys. Until next time. Bye.